inhuman perfection.
Okay, wait.
Characters.
Is this kind of is this happening?
Yeah, no, that's why she has a helmet on.
Okay.
We're good.
All
We're
right.
good. This is part of the plan.
I'll stay out of the
Yeah, our characters are all about personality, right? So can you imagine what it's like putting on roller skates for the very first time? It's awkward, it's clumsy, slightly terrifying, but ultimately it's exhilarating.
Yay.
Right?
Nicely done.
This is our latest effort in making robots that we think can have an emotional connection with our guests. We are using high-performance materials and taking advantage of mechanical scaling effects, so she's dynamic and tough. But we're also using motion capture data because we want to make performances that have emotion embedded in them.
Yeah!
Yes!
All right.
Woo-wee. Wow. So this is a phase of our development, actually, in this project where it's our playtime.
Yeah.
Because we're really trying to figure out what are the flaws and insecurities in this character that make us really care about her.
Yeah. You can think of this as kind of like a backwards machine learning. Like, we build machines and then we learn from them.
You guys are amazing. Thank you for being gutsy and coming out here and showcasing what we got.
Thanks, everybody. Hey, thank you, Josh. Appreciate it. Take care.